Hey everyone, this is Alexis and welcome back to No Measurement Geek. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet potato casserole that's easy, delicious, creamy, and so good. Let's get into the video. All right, so let's get into the sweet potato casserole. I have 2 sweet potatoes right here that just need to be wrapped in aluminum foil. And I usually wrap them and I put them in the oven for, I would say, an hour or an hour and a half on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So now I have some that are already prepared, and all I need to do is take them out of the aluminum foil. And you see what I mean by that heat and that those juices are trapped? It really makes it have that amazing flavor. So now I'm just going to peel, and the peeling process is super easy. It literally just flakes right off. I have a cast iron skillet that I'm just going to place it in. And I'm going to do that for the remaining sweet potatoes that we have. Take a fork, and I'm just gonna mash my sweet potatoes. You don't wanna mash them up too much. And now we are going to mix in our ingredients. So what I like to put is I like to put some melted butter, and this is 1 stick of melted butter. I'm also going to put in some cinnamon. And this sounds weird, but I'm gonna put in salt just because the salt really makes everything come together and it really brings out the flavors. I'm also going to put in some agave. I'm going to also put in some maple syrup. All right, so I'm just going to use a spatula. I'm going to mix everything together. And we want this to be sweet. I just love the color of sweet potatoes. I even feed these to my dog because she really likes the flavor of them too. So once everything has been combined, smooth everything together. And it doesn't have to be perfectly smooth. Just really make it somewhat flat and even. Add in the half and half. Add that in really quickly. This gives it the creamy flavor. But you see the flavor and the texture. You don't want it to be filled with too much creaminess. You want it to all combine well together. Okay. So smoothing it in. Not too perfect, but somewhat even. So now I am going to top everything with some of my delicious brown sugar. You just want to break it apart beforehand so that the chunks don't get in there. So I'm just gonna sprinkle in a few amounts, like so. You want to really get in those on the corners. Okay, so that's good on the brown sugar. And now I'm going to add in some walnuts. These are already chopped walnuts, but if they are not chopped, please make sure you chop them and make sure that they're in decent sized pieces. Okay, so yeah, that's it. It's so easy. Now I'm gonna place this in the oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for, I would say, 15 minutes or 20 minutes. You just wanna make sure that the brown sugar caramelizes. So yeah, I'm gonna show you my already prepared version of this. And yeah, it's gonna be so good. I can't wait for you guys to try it. So fresh out of the oven, here is the final result. The amazing, delicious, easy sweet potato casserole. Perfect for the holidays. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching today's video. If you like what you saw today, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Finally, No Measurement Eats is giving away our free breakfast cookbook. All you have to do is click on the link in the description below, type in your email address, and I'll send it right to you. All right, guys, hope you have a great day.